Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off reverse dots Braille in the keyboard options in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for system and update menu. Next, keyboard and input method. Then manage keyboards menu. And here we have TalkBack Braille keyboard option. We have the switch here. And in this menu, we need to scroll all the way down to reverse dots. And there is a switch. We can turn it on using the switch. We can turn it off using the same one. It's a simple on or off switch. And here we have short explanation. What does this function do exactly? And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.